Hi, welcome to King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2017 Hyundai I40 1.7 diesel CRDI. Absolutely gorgeous car. I love the look of this car. I think it looks beautiful. I'm very, very impressed by Hyundai's sort of efforts in the last 10, 15 years, and this is no exception. Spec on it is incredible. Anyway, I digress. What I'll do from here, we'll have a link in the description whereby you can click on the ad and get specific details for the car with lots of nice 4K photos you can examine. And there'll also be a link whereby you can apply for finance online, go straight to the bank and they come back with a response. But from there, I just want to put the price here as to what the car will cost to own by the week and by the month. So here we are out in the I40, and as I said in the video, I love the way it looks on the outside, I really do. And the inside is the same. Everything is laid out really well. Everything is close to hand. You can touch everything you need to do. And then spec is just mental. It's got everything. Like, there's nothing wanted in here. Heated seats, SAT-NAV, reverse camera, climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, everything. Like, it's just, there is nothing else you could add to this car. You know, you're not missing anything. And I used to, when I first started working full-time every day in the motor trade, it was my job as opposed to my family business. I used to sell the old Hyundais, and it was like the first generation Hyundai Accent and stuff, and they always did something clever. They weren't the greatest thing in the world, but they sold you really modern technology. So they would sell you, like, what they did, they had Mitsubishi engines, but they were brand new Mitsubishi engines, so you were getting really good tech and it was cheap. And they kind of, they just managed to develop and develop and develop into stuff like this. And now this car here, as it sits, is an easy rival to any Toyota Avensis or Honda or any of that kind of stuff. And certainly in terms of reliability and everything, they're same if you ask me. Certainly in people's minds, the 5-year warranty makes a big thing, and this car still has 2 years of its manufacturer's warranty available. So once you buy it from us, it's still in Hyundai's warranty. Now, just to clarify, that doesn't mean we sell you a car and good luck, you know. We'll execute the warranty for you if you ever need to. We'll take care of loan cars, all that kind of stuff. So, but if you bought the car from us in Cork, you just drive into the local Hyundai dealer, they fix it. So it gives you a nice guaranteed cost of ownership over the next few years. So yeah, there's that. Like, the rear seat, the rear legroom is enormous. I'll show you that quickly. Like, unbelievable, as big as a Skoda Superb, like, and not in this massive car outside like the TARDIS. So yeah, I love this car. Really nice car at the price point in terms of warranty and spec and condition. It's hard to beat. Hard to choose like an Insignia or something over it. And I sell Insignias, I like them, so just, you know, trying to be honest. Anyway, that's enough about the car. Moving on to us, our company in this time frame where it's kind of like distance selling and stuff. We are one of the very first SIMI second-hand dealers ever in the country. We're an AA approved dealer, which means this car will get its 101 point AA checkpoint. But the fact that the AA are in bed with us, you know, I think it speaks volumes for the type of people we are and what we're about. So the AA are quite brand protective. Other than that, we've amended Google reviews and good stuff, and we really will do what we say we'll do. This car will get a full service from us, and a full service at the point we do it is whatever it needs. So it's whether it needs tires, it gets them. If it needs brakes, it gets them. It's not some, you know, it's fully serviced. The car arrives to you with every piece, function and button working the way it should. So that's kind of it really. Other than that, I just want to say, if you like this sort of content or just these kinds of videos, or hopefully you want to buy off us, you know, in the future at some stage, click the subscribe button, because every car we have will get a video like this. So you might see something you like a year from now and see a video of it. You can give us a shout and hopefully do a bit with us. But that's it. Thanks for watching the video. We appreciate you taking the time to watch it, and hopefully we made your decision to come and see us easier. So thanks again. Bye bye. bye.